To my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share details about Upland, where you can find details first of all about their native token Upland. This is Upland, where you can get this Sparklet. This is also a chart details on the CoinGecko, and this is also graph how it is going on, and people are going to making it now as the inspiring and motivating coin. So this can be a next huge momentum, and you can also check there is also a graph that show you how much this has potential. So basically this video is for educational purpose. You can do your research on, and next you can also check this is the Upland home interface of website, where monthly people are going to starting trading in the Upland token and their native also gameplay that is available on the Google Play Store, App Store, as well as on the web app too. You can also open it, and next you can also check this is also your Tycoon Empire that you can play whenever you want. You can create your digital. There is also Epic, your asset, your property, neighborhood, and you can also design a complete society on it. Then you can also make wealth when you are going to start your virtual living here. So next you can also follow them on their thriving community driven as the world and collaboration. You can also find their social media links too, and you can also be one of the member. And next you can also check they are going to building the largest digital economy, where UPX their token. So there you can also get the number of NFTs, non-fungible token, in this blockchain technology. There is complete statistics what they have earned by the players who are going to playing this game. First native game on X. This is X Snack. X Stack is here by Upland. You can also play the game Sparklet. There you can also rebuild the world what you imagine, how you are going to show your creativity. There is also creative awesome content for you with the Ransake and Energy. So there you can also check if you are going to check their native token Sparklet. For purchasing of Sparklet, you can come to the Uniswap, where you can connect your wallet what you have installed already, and then you can also put the number here, and then it will be calculated to your number of token you can get easily. In this way you can also come to the platform Sparklet, where is here you can play whenever you want. You can also show your teamwork here, your intents, and your heat of attention. How much you will pay it, your reward will be according to that, and you can also participate for thrilling new adventure into different categories too. So everything is here, you just need to come. Next you can also check there is also a team behind this project. You can discuss with them if you have any amazing idea or you want to ask something from them. There you can also get a complete strategic and a very hard-working team behind this project, as well as the core of partners too. So you can also get some frequent asked questions too, how you will play the game. Now I am going to show you. For gameplay you can also check there is also your username, your email and password. Click on the sign up. If you have already account you can log in, or you can also play as a guest too. So there is also guest ID. So now you can also click on it, and in this way you can also create an account. Here you can also check navigating the Upland, as there is also Upland is here, how it works. You can also click on this option as tutorials. There are also properties, exploring option, message, assets, and many other options. You can even get there is exploring how it works. You can also click on it. There is a complete option for you. So there you can also get a tutorials how it looks and how they are also going to work, like city building. If we go, and here we can also select that. So there next is the details, as this is tutorial how it actually works, where you can get the shops details and you can also follow them. So there if we go for this city building, there is properties and green dots there have been given for you, and now you can also check in a completely Upland. There is exploring it. In this way you can also join, you can be a part of, so you can also create sign up and explore it, as there is also overview. So you can also find the plants in this era where you are going to build it, and next you can check about the properties collection. So for that you can also get where it has been created. You can also start up and you can also explore it in this way. So I hope you have cleared and how it works. Actually, you are going to sign up and you can also go for the ahead. So I hope you have cleared how it looks like, and there you can also check the real world how you are going to join. If you want to know more details, you can explore it. You can also follow them on the social media links too for upcoming details, and you can Discord join for upcoming insight latest updates related to Upland. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.